Creating key performance indicator visuals in Power BI enables users to track and analyze important metrics and performance indicators at a glance. Here's how to create KPI visuals effectively. Import data. Connect Power BI to your dataset containing the relevant KPI metrics. Select KPI visual. In the visualization panel, select the KPI visual icon to add it to your report canvas. Configure fields. Drag and drop the fields representing your KPI measures, target values, and any additional dimensions or filters into the appropriate fields in the visualizations panel. Define KPI status. Define the thresholds or rules that determine the status of your KPI, such as green for meeting targets, yellow for nearing targets, and red for below targets. Use DAX expressions to create dynamic thresholds based on your data. Customize appearance. Customize the appearance of your KPI visual, including fonts, colors, and icons to align with your organization's branding and reporting standards. Add trend lines or spark lines. Optionally, add trend lines or spark lines to provide additional context and visualize trends over time for your KPI metrics. Test and validate. Test your KPI visual to ensure that it accurately reflects the performance of your metrics and meets your reporting requirements.